and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. Benchmark indices did not see any activity today and ended pretty much flat, with the Sensex at 19,409 and the Nifty at 5908. However, specific segments in the market saw very sharp moves on either sides. Even broader markets fared better as the BSE Mid-Cap Index was up around 0.65%. Most of the action was in the banking and financial services space, thanks to the noise around the banking amendment bill to be tabled in the Parliament. The bill provides for an increase in supervisory power of the Reserve Bank of India, and that it seems is crucial before the RBI releases new banking licenses. So companies, stocks of companies in hopes of getting those new licenses rallied today. For example, L&T Finance was up around 3%. The bill also talks about PSU banks being able to raise capital through additional avenues like rights issues, and the entire segment rallied. Most of the stocks were up anywhere between 4 to 5%. There were some staggering gains as the State Bank of Bikaner was up around 13% and State Bank of Mysore gained around 17%. Punjab and Sindh Bank and Oriental Bank were up slightly over 5%, just to name a few. The bill also talks about the voting rights ceiling of 10% for private banks to be removed, which basically means that now in case of private sector banks, voting rights could be in proportion to their shareholding. In that segment also, the smaller private sector banks saw a big rally. Lakshmi Vilas Bank hit an upper circuit of 20%, Karnataka Bank was up around 11%, and Dhanalakshmi Bank gained around 6%. There was also activity in healthcare stocks, where thanks to heavyweights moving up, the BSE Healthcare Index was up around 0.8%. Among heavyweights, Dr. Reddy's Lab was up 2.5%, Cipla was up 1.5%, and Sun Pharma gained around 1.1%. Then there were sugar stocks, which actually saw a sharp decline thanks to Uttar Pradesh increasing the support price for sugarcane farmers by ₹40 per quintal. Among some of the most impacted, Balrampur Chini fell around 9%, Dhampur Sugar Mills fell around 6.6%, and Dwarikesh Sugar fell around 4.3%. Then major auto stocks also saw declines as the November car sales came in with decline in volume of around 8.25%. So Maruti Suzuki was down around 1.1%, Mahindra & Mahindra was down around 0.9%, and Tata Motors fell around 0.6%. Experts are now focused on the economic data to be released through the rest of the month, and of course for the Parliament session to get over so that there is clarity on what to expect going forward. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.